exterior angles. In today's lesson, we will be recapping how to work out exterior angles of different shapes. So exterior angles are angles on the outside of a shape. So here you can see I've got a pentagon here, and there are some exterior angles that are drawn on my shape. So these are the angles outside of a shape. Now, what you need to remember is exterior angles around a shape all add up to 360 degrees. Okay, and then obviously you can see here, another well-known fact is that you can see that the exterior, and if I draw the interior angle, maybe in a different color, in blue, let's say, you can see the exterior angle and the interior angle are on a straight line. So exterior angle plus interior angle add up to 180 degrees, okay, because they lie on a straight line. So these are some of the facts that can be useful when working out exterior angles. You might be able to do it by just knowing that all the angles add up to 360 degrees, or you may be able to do it if you already know the interior angle. You will know that actually the interior and the exterior angle both add up to 180 degrees. So let's have a look. So here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a six-sided shape. Okay, so I know that the exterior angles add up to 360 degrees. So if I just draw the exterior angles out, let's extend the lines. That's my exterior angle there, my exterior angle there, my exterior angle there, exterior angle there, my exterior angle there, and my exterior angle there. Now this is the regular shape, so that means all the sides are the same, therefore all the angles will be the same. And you can see that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles on the outside. If all the angles add up to 360 and all the angles are the same, I can do 360 divided by 6 because there are 6 exterior angles, and I end up with 60 degrees. So each exterior angle is 60 degrees. Okay. Now, in some occasions, you might be asked, well, can you work out the interior angle? Now, looking back at a previous lesson, there is a sum or a formula which you can use to work out the interior angle, which is n minus 2 times by 180 divided by n, which is the number of sides. However, it's important here to realize that if you've already worked out the exterior angle, it's really simple and easy to also work out the interior angle at the same time, because the exterior and interior angle, if I draw this out, lie in a straight line, and you know the angles in a straight line add up to 180. So if this angle here is 60 degrees, we might as well here work out the interior angle, and we'll do 180 minus 60 to get 120 degrees. Okay, so my interior angle is 120 degrees. Sometimes you might be asked to work out both things in maybe a worksheet or exam paper or assessment. And sometimes there's no need to use the full formula. You could actually work out the exterior angle and then just subtract it from 180 if that's easier in that situation. Let's have a look at another example. Here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-sided shape, octagon. I'm going to work out the exterior angle. So just to show you where the exterior angles are, if I extend the lines, zoom out from there so you can see properly. Just going to extend the lines and draw the exterior angles in. Okay, right. You can see here that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles on the outside, so 8 exterior angles. All the angles are going to be the same because it's a regular shape, a regular polygon or regular octagon, you can say. So I'm going to do 360 divided by 8 because all the angles are going to be the same, and we've got 8 angles to give me 45 degrees. So each exterior angle is 45 degrees. Again, if I want to work out the interior, it's nice and simple. I'm going to do 180 minus 45 to give me 135 degrees. So each interior angle would be 135 degrees. Again, remember, it's going to be the same because it's a regular octagon. If it's not regular, then obviously there's other working out there that you need to do. Let's do one final example to do with interior angles. Let's say that obviously you need to use the formula to work out interior angles, then we'll do that as well now, just so you can see that it works both ways. So remember, to work out the interior angle, it's n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. And this shape here is an 8-sided shape, so I'm going to do 8 subtract 2 times 180 divided by 8. Well, 8 subtract 2 is 6. 6 times 180. So 6 times 180 is 1080 degrees. I'm going to divide that by 8. And I end up with 135 degrees. And you can see I've worked out the interior angle. Now, because I've worked out the interior angle, I can also work out the exterior angle, knowing that, remember. So I can do 180 subtract 135 degrees to give me 45 degrees. So you can do it both ways. You might be able to start off by, if you already know the interior angle, and subtract it from 180 to work out the exterior, or in some situations you can work out the exterior and then the interior. It works both ways, and you can see that we've used the formula to work out the interior angle, and then because I've already know the interior angle, I can then subtract it away from 180 to work out the exterior, or at the start we just worked out the exterior and then we worked out the interior. So you can do it any way you like. It just depends on the type of question and which order you're being asked to work out the different angles. Thank you for watching.